We'll guide you through how to fix Google Docs not loading. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and ensure it's up to date. Outdated browsers can cause issues with loading online documents. Once your browser is updated, go to the Settings or Preferences section. You need to clear your browsing data, including cache and cookies, as these can sometimes interfere with loading web pages. After clearing them, restart your browser. Next, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. You can do this by opening another website to see if it loads properly. If your connection is fine, the issue might be with the extensions or plugins in your browser. Go to your browser's extensions or add-ons section and temporarily disable all of them. Then try opening Google Docs again. Sometimes, a specific extension can conflict with Google Docs, causing it not to load. If disabling extensions works, you can enable them one by one to identify which one is causing the problem. Additionally, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, as trying to access documents from a different account might cause loading issues. You can check this by clicking on your account icon in the top right corner of the Google Docs page. If none of these solutions work, try accessing Google Docs in an incognito or private browsing window, which opens without extensions and uses default settings. This can help pinpoint if the issue is with your browser settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.